Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this sub-series, we are learning about C RDLC report, how to design RDLC report template and how to view the report using the report viewer control. In this part 5 video, we will learn about page header, page footer, report header and report footer. These are all the slide decks from our previous parts. Now we will learn about the header and footer part. Let us say a report spans on 3 pages. Report header and report footer will appear only once. So we can use report header as well as a report footer, and it will appear only once. So when we talk about report, these are all the elements every people will talk about, because these are all the standards: report header, report footer, page header, page footer. And now we know that report header and report footer will appear only once. When we go to the RDLC report template, we will see how to achieve report header and report footer by adhering to this standard. Report header starts before the report. In our case, the report table control prints the report. So before printing this report, if we want to place some static text, we can choose it. We can choose the report header. Report footer starts at the end of the report. Once report is finished, the report footer begins. That means if you want to place some of the summary information, say for example total sales, you are printing a sales report, and if you want to print total sales, that you can place on the report footer, because the report footer appears only once. Page header, as the name suggests, appears on every page. So here we are saying 3-page report, right? The page header appears on every page, whereas report header appears before the report starts. So it can be in the middle as well, but page header, if you see, it will be in the top of the page. Similarly, this is not report footer, page footer. Page footer appears at the end of every page, just opposite of page header. Page header appears in the top and page footer appears at the end of the page. If there are 3 pages, the report is, then there will be 3-page header, because 3 pages there, and 3-page footer, and only 1 report header and only 1 report footer. This report header prints before the report starts, and report footer prints after the report ends. Let's explore this with our 3-page report pictorially. So let's say these are all the report pages: page 1, page 2 and page 3. From page 1 you can move to page 2. From page 2 you can move to page 3. The same way you can return back as well. So the table control will span the report. So this will be your actual report, table of data that prints titles. We can say this as a detail section of the report or the actual report. And the data part is spanning on 3 pages. Let's say some 1000 records, or in each page if there are 40 records, then some 110 or 115 pages of data, and that's why the report is spanning on 3 pages. And if you see, the report header will appear only once. We call this as report header. Since the report is starting here, before starting the report header occurs, and report is spanning on multiple pages, and at the end you will be seeing a report footer, and this will be the page header. And if you see, since it is a page header, it will be at the top of each page. We call this as a page header. Page header appears on every page, right? Similarly, page footer, it will appear on every page towards the bottom. So to recap, the report spans on 3 pages. Detail section will span, and this detail section will decide how many pages required. Since the detail section is spanning on 3 pages, we are saying it's a 3-page report. Then report header will start before the detail section starts, and towards the end we will be having the report footer. Here you can add information which is specific for the report, and here you can put summary information. Suppose if you are placing sales here, you can compute the summary and you can place it here in the report footer. Page header, useful for printing the report title or other information which is common for all the pages. And in the page footer, you can print the page number. If it is a 20-30 page report, if we print a page number, it will be useful. 1 out of 20, 2 out of 20. Likewise, it will go. So once it is printed on the printer, it will be easy to stack this on top of other and pin it, because there are page number. Right, now we will go ahead and use page header and page footer. We will place a image on the page header, and then we will place a special field on the page footer so that it will show the report number. Now it's demo time. We will go to the demo. So here is our RDLC report, and if we want to add something as part of a report header and a report footer, this is the place we can do that. Before that, we will add page header. If you see, the page header is available as a toolbar option. If it is not displayed on your case, you can right click on your ribbon and choose report border report. So once I click report, it is gone. That means page header and page footer is on the report. So save all. I am clicking the page header. There are 2 report. Okay, here it is active. I don't know what happened to the other one. So page header. So this is the page header part that is added to our report. Now I am choosing page footer. Now we will I'm just copying only portion of this part. Here I am using something called a green chart. That's an external application. Or you can use a print screen and cut only this portion. Copy to clipboard. So it's a free tool. Here I'm using MS Paint. Pasting that here, then removing it. Okay, now we will set some background. Here I'm setting the blue background, then with a red text. Doesn't look good. Choosing. So just creating a banner, if you see. So I'm just storing it at some location, F drive banner. Next, I'm going to the toolbox, placing a text box here. Double clicking it here, then list of book titles. So font here, I'm choosing it as Arial. Let it be like this. Then choosing 20. So right clicking this text box properties, alignment. I'm choosing center, horizontal alignment center, and vertical alignment as middle. So list of book titles that is appearing before the detail section starts. Now we will place one more text box entry as a report footer. Here I'm choosing end of report. Now we will run this once. So we will go ahead with the print layout to span this in multiple page, or we can even increase the size of the detail part. So if you see here, the report is spanning in more than one page. So now I am at the print layout, and there are 6 pages it is showing. We will as usual go to landscape, and if you see, there are 5 page list of book titles. Since it's a report title, it appears before the detail section starts, and towards the end we are saying end of report. Now since we changed the layout as landscape, I am once again diminishing my report and starting the report again, going with the page setup and changing this as a landscape. So when we go to print layout, you can see the report title is appearing before the detail section starts, and end of report it is coming in the next page. This is second page, and this one is the third page. Now we will go to page header, and we'll expand only the detail section. Here in the page header, I am dragging and dropping the image. Leave the name as it is. Tooltip not required. Here we are choosing it as an embedded image. Then import the image which we created. So here we have banner, size, fit to size. Fit to size means it will fit the report size. And or fit original size, so because we created it to match the size of the report. So now our page header is having the image control, and we will run this report once again. And if you see, the page header is displaying, or we will go to print layout. So this one will display only once because it's a report header, and this one is a page header. There is a spelling mistake, YouTube. All right, we will change this to landscape. Page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. In page 4 you are seeing end of report. Now we will place a text box on the report, in the page footer section. All right, this is it. Now it got moved. All right, now we are choosing text box properties. Here in the value we are picking the expression, built-in fields. And if you see, the built-in fields have a special field for the report and page number. The current page number can be used only in page header or footer. So here we are using this text box in the page footer part of the report. So the page number field will work for us. And this one is the expression evaluation, a text field. Here you can type your expression, and here we are typing a page number. So the page number will be the current page number, and the space also not required here, and we will place a blank slash. Okay, page number slash, then ampersand. So here total page. So if you see here how we are forming the expression, so the expression will be like this: current page number, or this is the running page number, slash total page number. So this will get evaluated on each page. So since we placed the text box in the report, in the page footer of the report, the expression will be evaluated for every page. For each page it will show the current page number. This one is the total page. Now we will save the report and run it once. Here I am going with the page setup, moving it as a landscape, then going with the print layout, page footer. This is the page header. In page header we have our image, and in page footer we have our special field. So page number 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, and it's our end of report. So if you want, you can do further formatting. So for example, here I'm choosing the text box property, alignment, horizontal alignment, right aligned, vertical I'm keeping it as a middle one. Okay, then once again we will choose this, and we will go to property here, font. We will choose, let it be Arial. Here I will be choosing 14, and the color I'm choosing it as maroon. We will run this once again. and here you are seeing the page number. All right, in the next video we will here price is displaying, right, $19, $11, $2. We will alternate the background color when book price is more than 20 or equivalent to 20. So that part we will do it in the next video. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.